Welcome to Batumi, the coastal city, where the mountains meet the sea. Our journey begins the moment we touch down. We are about to explore Batumi from sky to shore, sunrise to starlight. Batumi Airport is right next to the sea and just minutes from the city. The moment you land, you can already smell the salty air and feel the laid-back charm. First stop, the Argo cable car, is the best way to get your first real look at Batumi. It's a 1.5 miles ride from the sea to the hills, and every second is worth it. At the top, you'll find a viewing platform, cafes, and one of the most stunning panoramas in Batumi. From up here, you can see the entire city, from the Alphabet Tower and Ferris wheel to the mountains beyond. It's the perfect spot for photos, reflection, and a cool breeze. From up here, the city stretches out below you, a mix of historic rooftops, modern towers, and the endless Black Sea. Back on the ground, it's time to explore Batumi Boulevard, the heart of the city. It's over 100 years old and stretches along the sea with parks, bike paths, and art scattered all around. This is where locals unwind, families gather, and travelers like me get completely enchanted. Every few steps, there's something new, from quirky statues to cozy cafe cafes. As the sun begins to dip, Batumi transforms. The golden light hits the sea, the breeze gets cooler, and the entire city slows down. It's the perfect time for a quiet walk, or just to sit and watch the colors change. This is why people fall in love with Batumi. It's not just the views, it's the peace, the rhythm, the feeling of time passing just a little.
Dear friends, we would like to invite you to join us for an incredibly interesting half-hour cruise on our yacht Okeanos. You'll have the opportunity to marvel at the beauty of Batumi from the crystal clear waters.
After dark, Batumi comes alive in its own way. The city glows with color. You can stroll through Europe Square, see the famous Ali and Nino sculpture in motion, and end your night with the magical dancing fountains. They perform every evening. Water, music, and lights in perfect scenic. And the best part, it's free, right in the middle of the boulevard. From landing on the Black Sea coast to rising above the city, walking the historic promenade and ending under neon skies, Batumi is a city that surprises you at every hour. Thanks for coming along with me. If you are planning a trip to Georgia, Batumi is a must.